We have all seen it. People battling mental health issues standing on the streets shouting, making a scene. With the surge in Albuquerque's homeless problem, it seems to be happening more. News 13's Stephanie Chavez has a look at what the city tries to do to get them help and why sometimes they have to wait until they do something wrong. Stephanie.
Kim, it's getting hard these days to walk on Central for a couple of blocks between downtown and Nob Hill without coming across a mentally ill person in crisis. But there's not much the city can do about it until they commit a crime.
They're loud and they can be abusive to people sometimes, and physically they can be dangerous.
Bad words and stuff, you know, yelling to people and stuff like that.
This is a daily occurrence along Central. People battling mental illness, causing a scene, making others feel uncomfortable.
It can be very scary, yes.
Oftentimes, police can't do anything about it until a crime has been committed. Just this month, police were called to Central by UNM because this man, Jeffrey Sandoval, was yelling angrily in public.
I didn't even finish my sentence, Jeffrey. Be quiet.
At first, police were going to let him go. He had done nothing wrong.
Watch for traffic. Watch for traffic.
But then he mooned the officers with kids watching from across the street.
Freedom of speech doesn't let you pull down your pants in front of children.
3 counts of indecent exposure and a trip to jail. APD tells us they will take mentally ill people causing a scene to jail or the hospital if they're threatening themselves, others, or committing a crime.
You can access psychiatrists a lot quicker through being incarcerated than you can in our community because there's a waiting list and shortage of providers.
But just because those resources are available doesn't mean they're going to accept them.
It takes a lot for an individual to finally feel that they're in a space where they can move forward and get the treatment they seek.
Now, the city has invested $11 million to getting those in need of treatment not covered by insurance.
Okay, thanks, Stephanie. Now, oftentimes when the mentally ill are arrested for a crime, they're released because they're deemed incompetent to stand trial. Court documents are revealing a dispute over vomit inside an Uber driver's car is what triggered a deadly